Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru guys. So in this video I'm going to compare the phones between the Realme X and the Samsung Galaxy M20. So as you know guys, I've been using the Samsung Galaxy M20 for a couple of months. So it is a quick comparison between the Realme X and the Samsung Galaxy M20. So right now I am recording this video using the Samsung Galaxy M20 guys. So already I have used the Samsung Galaxy M20, so that's why I'm just comparing the specifications, and I'll be telling you my impressions about both the phone guys. So first, let me tell you about the prices. The Realme X is a little bit higher than the Galaxy M20 guys. So the plus point for the Samsung Galaxy M20 in this area price range, and next is the display. And so in the terms of the display, the M20 has the normal LCD panel guys, whereas the Realme X has a Super AMOLED panel. So that's why the Super AMOLED panels are very good while watching the videos, and even in the battery consumption is not too high. And this has got 6.5 inch, which has very big screen guys when compared with the M20. So that's why I like the screen in the Realme X and compared with the M20 while watching the videos. And next, in terms of the processor, you can see this is a 2.2 gigahertz and the M20 is 1.8 gigahertz. So that doesn't make much difference, but while playing the PUBG game, I have noticed very good change in the Realme X guys, whereas in the Samsung Galaxy M20 I very much struggled to play the game. Even in the normal graphics, I didn't like to play the game, so I uninstalled the game because of this Samsung Galaxy M20 phone. So right now, after a long time again, I'm back playing the PUBG game in this Realme X guys. So in terms of the storage, the Realme X doesn't come with a expandable option, so you only get the 2 SIMs, that's it. So I bought the 64 GB, but if you're considering to buy the phone which is not having expandable memory, then you can go to the 128 GB guys. Since I'll be selling the phone, so that's why I won't be using the same phone for a long time, so that's why I went with the less storage and saving some money. And next is a M20 has 64 GB and you can expandable guys, so which has a 3 slots, not like the hybrid slot which present in the MI phones, which has got 3 slots guys. So this is a very good thing guys. So 1 point for the M20 guys in this area. And next is in terms of camera, I can give the 5 points for the Realme X, because this takes very good images guys when compared with the M20. So I have taken a lot of images with the M20 phone for the couple of months. I can feel the difference guys. And Realme X has a night shot capability photo taking guys when compared with the M20. So, and it has got the 960 frames per recording video as well in the Realme X, which doesn't present in the M20, and you cannot even take the slow motion and time-lapse videos in the M20 guys. So that's a big negative point for this one. But another plus point is that you can record the videos using the wide angle camera, which is not present in the Realme X. So if you are a fan of the wide angle, then you can prefer the phones which has a camera of wide angle like M20. And next, in terms of the battery, so in terms of the battery, I can say pretty much equal guys. I know you can see here the M20 has a 5000 mAh of battery, but Realme X has a 3665 mAh of battery. Why I'm saying the equal, because the M20, even though it has 5000 mAh of battery, I never crossed over 8 hours of screen on time, or average I used to get only 6.5 hours of screen on time in this M20 guys. I'm not satisfied at all the battery from the beginning of the usage with the phone. So after the Pi update, little bit got improved, but not much. I can say even in the performance got improved, but not that much. So that's why the battery in this area, both the phones are equal. So next, both the phones come with the Pi guys. This Realme X comes with the Pi, and M20, if you are getting the Android 8.1 version, you'll get the update guys to the Pi, so no need to worry about that. And next is the Realme X supports the fast charging guys. As you can see, this phone can supercharge within 1 hour and 15 minutes, so that is a pretty fast guys, whereas the M20 takes more than 2 hours to charge fully. So this is a major difference guys with both the phones. And in terms of the weight, as you can see here, 191 grams and 186 grams, there is not much difference between both the phones. There is only 5 grams difference guys. But considering the big screen in the Realme X, I can say the Realme X is pretty good, guys. It doesn't feel heavy as well in the hand. So in terms of the screen, I can give the plus point to the Realme X because of the AMOLED panel they're using in the phone, and this is of normal TFT display, guys. That's it. So in terms of the performance, Realme X is pretty good than the Samsung Galaxy M20, guys. And I have started using PUBG and Call of Duty games in this Realme X, and there is no problem and there is no lag with the phone, guys, at all. And in the expandable memory, Samsung M20 wins. And in the video recording, you can record the 4K videos in the Realme X, and you can also shoot the slow motion videos as well in this phone. That's a very good thing, guys. Even in terms of the camera, I like the Realme X because of the nightscape and normal daylight photography. It's very good in the Realme X. But in this M20, the only good thing is that you can record the wide angle camera videos, guys, using the lens in this M20. That is only the good thing in this phone. That's it. And in the front camera area, I feel the Realme X is pretty good in the front camera area. So that is, guys. Overall, if you're planning to buy the phone above 15,000, then you can wait for this Realme X, guys. So if you already bought the phone M20, then no need to worry. Still, the phone M20 is pretty good, because as you can see, all my videos, most of the time, if you're not seeing the M20 in my hand, that means I am recording that video using the Samsung Galaxy M20, guys. So even this video got I'm recording using that phone. So the camera quality is pretty good, not so good as expected as Realme X. So if you're having the budget to buy the phone, then just wait for the phone, guys, Realme X. So hope you will like it. In the future, I'll be doing comparison video between Realme X and Redmi K20 as well. So if you're confused between both the phones, just wait for a couple of days, guys. I'll be back with the comparison video between both the phones in the future. So till then, stay tuned, guys. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I take reviews. So for more videos, and not only the mobile reviews, I'll be doing a lot of Android app reviews as well, guys. So as you can see, in every video I'll be using different wallpapers. If you are interested to know, just comment below, guys. I'll be replying to you. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I take Guru. See you in the next video. Bye.